How to delete YouTube app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So there are two basic ways to delete YouTube app on Android. Now first is to launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, simply all you need to do is scroll down to app, then select on manage apps over here, and then tap on the search bar and search for YouTube application. So let's search for YouTube over here and the app will pop at the bottom. So let's wait until the app pops up over here, and as we search for the app, so it's not showing up right now, so tap on it and all you've got to do is tap on the option of disable over here. So since this is an automatic application, you'll not be able to uninstall the or delete the app altogether. You can uninstall the updates, you can disable it, and it will not work. Next, what you can do is simply launch the Play Store application on your device and simply tap on the search bar over here and search for YouTube. And as you search for YouTube, you can simply tap on it, and here you can see the option of uninstall. So you can simply tap on uninstall over here and you can delete the YouTube app on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.